Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. Hope you are all well. Now in today's video we are going to learn what is present perfect tense. Well, the present perfect is a grammatical combination of the present tense and perfect aspect that is used to express a past event that has present consequences. The term is used particularly in the context of English grammar to refer to form like I have finished. Now, what is the formation of present perfect tense? First of all, for affirmative sentence. Formation is subject plus have or has. We will put has or have according to our subject. When our subject is singular, we will put has, and when our subject is plural, we will put have. Plus V3, that is third form of verb. Now here is a very simple trick to understand or very simple note to remember. Whenever we talk about perfect tense, either in present perfect tense or in future perfect tense, we will always put the third form of verb, right? Now I'll write an example here. She has finished her work, right? She is singular. Our subject is singular. So we write has here. Finished, third form of verb, right? Now for negative, formation is subject plus have or has plus not plus V3. Sorry, I forgot object here. I'm so sorry. Plus object, right? Now I'll write an example here. She has not finished her work, right? Now for interrogative, our formation is has or have plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. For interrogative sentences, a helping verb that is has or have will come at start or at first, whatever you say. Now I'll write an example of this. Has she finished her work? And a question mark. Right. Alright, this was the easiest way to understand and to learn present perfect tense. I'm again repeating what is present perfect tense. The present perfect is a grammatical combination of the present tense and perfect aspect that is used to express a past event that has present consequences. Hope you guys learned something new. If you liked my video, then subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I also have a note here for you all. Has, belongs to, he, she, it, or any name. For example, William, Sam, David, Marina, etc. And have belongs to I, we, they, you, mm, and for example for plural, right?